Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch another video. Today I am going to show you how I made this two-tiered coffee stand, and I'm also going to decorate it. So let's get into this DIY. I'm taking a Dollar Tree 5x7 honeycomb frame. I've reinforced the edges to make it a little stronger. I'm going to take this outside and spray paint it silver. Next, I am going to take one roll of bling and I am going to add it to the inside edges. Okay, now that I have both sides done, the next step is to make the frame that the plexiglass will sit in. Next, glue some large popsicle sticks to the back of the frame. Cut your wood dowels to go all the way across the top and all the way down the sides. Don't worry about the bottom piece. And then glue them on top of the popsicle sticks. Making sure to place them close to the edge as possible. That is going to be very important in the next step. Next, put some glue on top of the wood dowels and then glue the second frame on top. Make sure that the frame is even on all four sides. Then clamp them together very lightly so they can dry. Now that the frames are done, we gotta put some signature Glam on it. That's the bottom. We're not gonna put any down here because you won't be able to see it when it's sitting down. I'm gonna paint the top of the wood dowel silver first for a finished look, but skip the bottom one. I'm going to set this aside, let it dry. Now let's try putting this ribbon on. That's it. Do the same thing for the inside, all 4 sections. Cut a couple of rows off of the rhinestone ribbon to allow for the adjustment for the inside section. I'm going to do the next one off camera, and I'll come back to show you the finished look. Now that I've got the sides done, let's go ahead and glue this thing up. Got my plexiglass right here, and I'm using some E6000. One down, one to go. The other side. I'm going to let this sit for an hour, and then I'll come back and glue the top piece on. I am going to put some of this silver metallic trim around this stand. I'm going to finish this off camera and come back and show you the finished look. That is beautiful, guys. I'm going to make a small floral arrangement that's going to go on my coffee stand. I've just got a few floral picks from Dollar Tree and one from 99 cents only, and I cut them down, and I've got some moss here. I already put some paper down in there, and then I took some floral foam and put some glue around the sides and stuck it down in there. So I'm going to take the moss and put it right on top here. Got my wire cutters. And usually when I'm doing a floral arrangement, I'll start in the center and then I work my way out. When you've been doing floral arrangements and different things like this for years, you don't even think about it. You just put it together with ease. Fast, quick, and easy. And I will show you how it looks when I do the complete reveal. I'm taking some recycled jars to use to put my sugar and coffee in. I'm going to take the tops and spray paint them silver. Then I'm going to add these knobs with a glass pebble on the bottom glued to it. And I'm going to add those to the top of the jars. So stay tuned. And this is how the jars turned out. The top. I love it, guys. Next, the reveal. It was my vision. I like how it turned out. Just something simple to put on my counter for my coffee. I can only drink a certain amount of coffee because of my Meniere's disease. I'm only supposed to have like a half a cup a day, and I really don't even drink it that much. But I enjoy a cup every now and then. So I put my coffee and sugar in there. I also put a little diamond wrap around the bottom of the glasses just for the aesthetics, because I'm not going to be using these glasses. They're just here for decorations. I do have some clear spoons that I bought that I did a little something to the tips, but I'm still unpacking. And they're small and I have no idea where they are. So just a quick scan of how this is looking now. I also found my plate stand to display my glass cutting boards. I put that up. So little by little, with the energy that I do have, I am getting this apartment to where I'm comfortable. Thank you so much for coming back and enjoying another video with me. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. I'm going to be doing a lot more decorating videos in the future, along with my continued DIYs. Thank you so much. Please hit that like. Leave me a comment and subscribe to this channel. You guys have a blessed day.